Now, a day after Bombay High Court granted bail to Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan in the cruise drug bust case, Aryan Khan is most likely to walk out of Arthur Road Jail by today. In fact, the Bombay High Court has issued the bail order, and as we speak, Team Aryan is rushing to complete some formalities. Team Aryan has taken the bail order to Special Narcotics Court, but Aryan Khan will be released today itself. It's a release today. In fact, the release letter should reach jail administration by 5:30 p.m. That's what's awaited. Any minute after that, Aryan Khan will be let off from prison. If not, it's likely that he will only be let off tomorrow, a Saturday. Moreover, Aryan's bail does not come without conditions. The Bombay High Court has now set 14 conditions for his bail. Ahead of Aryan's release, Shah Rukh Khan has now left Mannat.
Proceed with the other formalities. Once that is done, we will let you know. 45 में आप कहीं और पहुंच सकते हो.
सर, हिंदी में फिर से पूछना चाहेंगे.
आज ऑर्डर की कॉपी मिली है हमें, और मेरे जो लीगल टीम है वो सब अभी बिजी है, सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रेजेंट करते हुए, और जब भी वो एक्सेप्ट होगी, कार्रवाई होगी उसके बाद.
संभावना है, आपको लगता है कि आज रिलीज ऑर्डर मिल जाएंगे आपको?
कोशिश है.
सर, आपने बताया कि श्योरिटी बॉन्ड बनेगा, वो थोड़ा प्रोसेस बता दीजिए.
वो तो प्रोसेस मेरे जूनियर्स बताएंगे आपको, और मेरे ख्याल से शाम तक होना चाहिए, वही कोशिश है.
सर, मराठी में बोल रहे हैं.
Here you have Saurabh Vakhtania reporting live from Mannat. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us from the Arthur Road jail. Saurabh, Shah Rukh Khan has left Mannat. Has he headed towards the Arthur Road jail? Do we know if he is going to be receiving his son right from outside prison? And take us through exactly who was with him when you spotted that car.
Khan, who just left from Mannat, but most importantly, Nabila, big news is coming in. The surety for Aryan Khan is Juhi Chawla. Juhi Chawla is giving surety for Aryan Khan in the court. She's present at the court where this whole proceedings are going on. Let me tell you, we have visuals of Juhi Chawla, who is giving surety for Aryan Khan, and she's inside the court right now, completing all the formalities. So the procedure is that Juhi will have to identify herself in NDPS court. Then the procedure after the approval for NDPS court will have to be done to the registrar office, and Chawla will have to give the documents. That's her documents which have to be submitted in the NDPS court. So what right now is happening is the release order has been prepared inside the sessions court. That's the NDPS court in South Mumbai. Remember, from Bombay High Court to sessions court, it's not so far. So the team has already reached the sessions court where they're completing all the formalities, and Juhi Chawla is giving surety for Aryan Khan. She is inside the court. She's signing the papers right now, and after which, once the release order is taken from the sessions court, they will be taking this particular release order to Arthur Road jail. Let me show you the visuals right now outside Mannat. The road is completely clear, Nabila. The police officials came over here because there was a lot of crowd over here, so they have asked all the crowd to remove. They removed all the crowd from here. They have also barricaded this particular place. You can see over here that not a single person can leave from here towards the bungalow. So what they are trying to do is that when Aryan Khan comes over here, that nobody leaves from this particular road and rush to the bungalow. So now what is going to happen, that's already 4:30, and in just 10 to 15 minutes of time, this procedure will definitely get over, and that release order will be taken to the Arthur Road jail. That release order will be put into the Jamanat box of the Arthur Road jail, and if this is done before 5:30, then Aryan Khan definitely comes out of the jail today itself.
Right. Mustafa, is there any doubt of whether he's going to... There's Saurabh joining us. Any doubt whether Aryan Khan will be able to walk out of prison today itself? Any doubt that their documents, whatever documents that has to be submitted to jail authorities, will reach in time? And we see visuals of Juhi Chawla there, who's just entered court to sign the bond surety of 1 lakh rupees. Saurabh, if you can hear me.
So Nabila, there are a battery of reporters who are present everywhere. Everywhere there are battery of reporters. There are team of whole battery of advocates. I beg your pardon. There are battery of advocates who are present everywhere. Let me tell you, there were advocates who were present since morning inside the Bombay High Court. They were stationed themselves right outside the Justice Chamber, where Justice was actually ordering. He was writing the order copy. Immediately after the order copy was taken, they reached the Sessions Court. There was a different set of advocates who were already present at the Sessions Court. They had all their documents ready, available with them. All the documents, all the paperwork, whatever places they have to sign, the Xerox and everything, they had ready with them. Juhi Chawla was ready over there for giving surety to Aryan Khan. She's already entered the court. Let me tell you what the procedure is right now. The order copy will go to the registrar of the Sessions Court, the NDPS court. The registrar will take down all the details from the order copy. He has to note down. The surety has to be given. 1 lakh bail bond has to be given cash over there. The signatures will be taken, Juhi Chawla's documents will be verified, debt entry will be done, and from there the release order is given. The release order takes place for around 10 minutes, around 10 to 15 minutes, and that was also already done. The advocates were already present over here. So let me tell you, from Sessions Court, Nabila, from Sessions Court, it's hardly in half an hour time. So by half an hour, they reach Arthur Road Jail. So we are expecting that before 5:30, the team has to drop that particular release order inside the Jamanat box. So if that particular thing happens before 5:30, because you never know what about the traffic situation in the southern Mumbai, because lot of construction work is going on everywhere. But it is not way far, let me tell you, Nabila. So it is going to take hardly half an hour from Sessions Court to Arthur Road Jail.
Yeah, but
they drop in
just about anything could happen on the way. Even traffic could be a reason for them not to be making it in time. But hoping for the best here. Of course, the family is really awaiting to see their son, Aryan Khan. It's been 22 days that the 23-year-old has been in prison. Let me cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay reporting from Arthur Road Jail. Pankaj, very surprising to see that Juhi Chawla has stepped in. In fact, Juhi Chawla is now going to be signing that surety bond for Aryan Khan. We know the proximity that Juhi Chawla holds with Shah Rukh Khan. They've been great friends ever since they've worked together from the start of their careers. Juhi Chawla right now is in court. In fact, she will have to identify herself with the NDPS court, and then the procedure after approval from the NDPS court will have to be done at the registrar's office, and then she will have to give all those documents of her identification to that court there. After that only will the bond, the documents there will be given out, the bail documents will be issued, and then those documents will be brought to the Arthur Road prison and given to jail authorities, after which Aryan Khan will be let off. Do you think the entire procedure will be in time before 5:30? If not, we're looking at another day's extension for him.
Yes, so what you say is absolutely right, Nabila. And time is of essence. The clock is ticking. There's just under an hour's time within which all the paperwork needs to be done at the special NDPS court, and then the release orders have to be brought in here to the Arthur Road jail. And now we are getting you live visuals from what's happening outside the Arthur Road jail. I can see around at least 10 to 15 policemen along with the traffic policemen trying hard to clear this entire way. There's a traffic scenario, the situation that has developed here, huge traffic jam that I see. If I'll ask my camera person Samir Shanbag to show the other way. Now this is a very busy marketplace in front of the Arthur Road jail. There's a traffic jam that I see here in front of the jail, and hence what the traffic police along with the Mumbai police personnel are trying to do is clear the road so that at least even if the lawyers are coming in with the release papers, that process does not get delayed. Additionally, what the police personnel also anticipate here, a large crowd that might gather here, the curious onlookers, and of course the fans of Shah Rukh Khan as well. Now, if at all Shah Rukh Khan lands here, for his son, then the police understands that there might be a situation, and in order to avoid any law and order situation, what's happening here is there is massive presence of Mumbai police, not just outside the main gate of the Arthur Road prison, because it is this very gate where from Aryan Khan is going to step out after the jail formalities are completed. But the Mumbai police, I see, is on either side of the road, because once the car gets out from this very main door, it's going to go ahead at least 200 to 300 meters, and then it's going to take a U-turn, and again it's going to come over to this side so that it can finally move over and take the main road. Now, till that time, since this is a busy marketplace, already as I was mentioning, there's a big traffic situation that's developing. It's going to be a massive task for the Mumbai police and the traffic police personnel to control the crowd as well. Already on the other side, the crowd is already building up. The fans are already coming up. The curious onlookers are already building up here. And if the word passes by that perhaps Shah Rukh Khan is also coming here, then there is definitely going to be a lot of crowd. But as I said, time is of essence. Before 5:30, all the paperwork needs to be done here. At least in the bail basket, you know, that release order copy has to be put in, so that further work, which might take in, as the jail authorities are saying, anywhere between half an hour to 45 minutes. But then before 5:30, that release order needs to be here, and that is the reason why, as my colleague was also saying, that the battery of lawyers who are behind Aryan Khan since the morning hours have been at various offices of the court. We saw them at the High Court, we saw them at Special NDPS Court, and now once the formalities at the Special NDPS Court are done, once the release order is taken, then it's going to be the travel time, which is going to be very important from the Arthur Road Jail to this, from Special NDPS Court to the Arthur Road Jail. Mind you, this is evening time in Mumbai. This is South Mumbai. Traffic is slowly building up, and in the evening time, around 5 or 6 is the crunch time when you have the maximum traffic in Mumbai. But the jail authorities will strictly abide by the rules and regulations that have been laid down in the jail manual. If the release order does not come in time, then there is going to be a scenario when the entire process will have to be completed tomorrow. And we've heard all the top lawyers as well who've given submissions for Aryan Khan saying yesterday and saying today that they are positive that the process might be completed today. But if not, then the scenario we are looking at is that Aryan Khan will be coming out tomorrow. But as of now, there is some time. There's just under an hour. The battery of lawyers are busy completing the formalities. We are keeping a close eye on what's happening. Right now, these are the scenes outside the Arthur Road Jail. Many policemen have guarded the main gate, because this is the very gate where from, if the formalities are completed in time, that Aryan Khan will finally be stepping out and heading home. Nabila.
All right, Pankaj is right there outside the Arthur Road prison, of course, tracking all those developments. You also have Saurav Vakhtania there at Mannat. But here's the 5-page Aryan Khan bail order that has about 14 conditions listed on it for Aryan Khan to follow even after he's out of prison. Let's take a quick look at some of those top bail conditions. Aryan must not indulge in activities similar to those charges against him. Shah Rukh Khan's son cannot leave the country without permission of court. And then Aryan must inform the NCB in advance if at all he's going out of Mumbai. Aryan Khan must attend court proceedings when called. He cannot skip it. He has to be part of all court proceedings when called. And in fact, Aryan has been asked strictly not to delay the trial. In fact, once it begins, Aryan should not delay trial. He must be present and he must appear when called. Here, 1 lakh personal bond for surety has been asked. Surrender his passport before court. In fact, this could be the biggest task here, the most difficult for Aryan Khan, because he studied abroad through and through. He has to now submit his passport before court and will have to inform every time he wants to leave the country. He'll be handed his passport only if permission has been granted. Of course, a mark of presence at the NCB office on Friday. Every Friday, he has to appear before the NCB office and mark his attendance. He has to be present there so that they know he's not left Mumbai or the country. He must not establish contact with co-accused as per the Bombay High Court. Remember, there's a lot of apprehension of whether Aryan Khan will be trying to influence witnesses, and therefore here you have the Bombay court saying very clearly that Aryan Khan must not establish any contact with co-accused in this case. Let me quickly cut across to Saurav Akhtania. Saurav, 14-point conditions that have been placed in that bail order for Aryan Khan to follow. He's eventually still going to be tied to the NCB. Every Friday he'll have to come to NCB office, give out his attendance. So this is going to be hard for him until he is free from this case, until he's been given a clean sheet. He has to be appearing before the NCB office, and the most difficult thing for him to do possibly now is to submit his passport. A boy who's constantly been abroad through his adult life. He studied abroad. He was here briefly just during the pandemic. For him now to submit his passport possibly will be the hardest, but he's got to do it. No choice.
Well, absolutely, Nabila. There are 3 points which are very much important. One, he has to submit his passport to the court and he cannot leave the country without informing a court. Also, if he's leaving the city of Mumbai, he has to inform the investigating officer and he has to be present at the NCB office every week. That's Friday between 11 to 2 p.m. But very importantly, we quickly go to the Sessions Court. Nabila, most important, very important, when there's a twist in this story, let me tell you that Satish Mani Shinde and his advocate actually, and his team of advocates reached the Sessions Court. Now, there was a particular NDPS hearing which was already going on. It is when this hearing actually got stopped. This is time that Satish Mani Shinde reached to the court that the security is here over here. You please complete the procedure. This is when Judge V.V. Patil is asking whether you have an operative copy. Where is the detailed order copy? So Mani Shinde is saying that I right now only have operative copy. So the major problem right now here is that to get the security and the solvency certificate. The solvency certificate, it takes a lot of time. Let me tell you, it takes around 2 to 3 days time. So right now they are trying to convince the court that the solvency certificate is already issued. What is solvency certificate for our viewers? A solvency certificate is required by the government and commercial offices to be sure about the financial position of individual and entity. This is about Juhi Chawla. Let me tell you, Juhi Chawla has a property worth over 1 lakh rupees and therefore it has to be properly done. So there are a lot of technicality, there is lot of if and buts, and still let me tell you, there is still some sort of twist left. It's already going to be 5, just 10 minutes to 5.
Absolutely.
If this procedure does not get over, it is going to be a very difficult time. Juhi Chawla is still
we saw Juhi Chawla has now taken the responsibility to sign that bond surety of 1 lakh rupees. She's now got to identify herself at the NDPS court. It's a procedure, but will they make it before 5:30 p.m. remains to be seen. If not, another day in jail for the 23-year-old Aryan Khan, who's already been in prison for 22 days now. We're going to continue tracking these details on the other side with Shiva Roos. Stay with us. Well, a quick glimpse here. It's a big reunion, an emotional reunion for Aryan Khan with his family at Mannat. These last 26 days were quite a nightmare for Shah Rukh Khan and his family. But soon, Aryan will be out of jail. It is an early Diwali for the entire Khan Parivar. Let's take a quick look.
His mannat to be reunited with his elder brother has been fulfilled. Aryan Khan will soon be back in the family house, and nobody would be more happier than his 8-year-old brother, Abram. Not just Abram, sister Suhana too shared childhood memories with her brother. The 23-year-old will be freed from jail thanks to the punching arguments in the Bombay High Court by some of India's top legal eagles. And of course, the countless blessings of fans.
तो फील पूरा 7वें आसमान तक कर रहे, कुछ लिमिट ही नहीं, हमको समझ में नहीं हम लोग कहाँ हैं और आप लोग को कुछ समझ में नहीं रहा, हम लोग लग रहा है जन्नत में घूम रहे, बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश हम लोग.
हार के जीतने वाले को ही बाजीगर कहते हैं.
As arguments went on in the High Court, Shah Rukh Khan waited anxiously in a plush South Mumbai hotel. Aryan's return home will be the best birthday gift for SRK, who turns 56 on November 2nd. Sources have told India Today that Aryan broke into a smile and thanked jail officials when he was given the news of his bail.
I think he was quite upset that he has been placed in this situation, like any other person who is arrested. And he did instruct us to fight every battle and take it to its logical end. And I think for a 23-year-old, he's a very strong man.
Aryan has already spent 21 days in jail, in a case which many believe did not deserve such harsh punishment. Ever since he was arrested by the Narcotics Bureau in a drug bust case, Aryan has missed his mother's birthday and his parents' wedding anniversary. Diwali has always been auspicious for Shah Rukh, as films releasing during the festival have usually set the box office on fire. But this Diwali will be extra special for the Khan family in Mannat. With Saurabh Bakhtania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, we're going to continue tracking those developments there. Aryan Khan to be out of prison soon enough. On the other side with Shiv Arur. Stay tuned.